This demo shows how AI in Oracle HCM makes it easier for people to apply for open positions at your organization. It's from the point of view of Sarah, who's looking for a new role to launch her marketing career. Instead of searching through endless lists of open positions, Sarah just uploads her resume. AI processes the document and then gives Sarah recommendations based on the specifics of her experience and education. Sarah chooses Marketing Specialist from among the open positions, reviews details, and decides to apply. AI has already pre-populated her contact info as well as her experience and educational details. She verifies that everything is correct and submits her application. Later in the day, Sarah checks in and hey, good news! She's been invited to schedule an interview. She picks a time and sets it up, and that's it. With about 10 clicks and 0 keystrokes, Sarah is on her way. You can see how AI makes it easier for candidates to apply for the right positions. This helps create a bigger, better candidate pool from which you and your organization can choose the right applicants.